もらいたい。
Yung last na punch ng Diyos, the winning punch ng Diyos against Egypt. And I want you to understand this. Sabi niya, itong Passover na to, i-celebrate niyo for you to be reminded. Ang security namin nandito. Kaya minsan akala natin, ako wala akong Diyos-Diyosan, wala akong ibang sinasamba. Hindi totoo yan. Kasi minsan, kung saan yung security mo, yun ang Diyos mo. Lahat ng representing, lahat ng koneksyon sa idol na to, sinira niya. Sinong idol? Asirim at saka Baal. Yang dalawang idol na yan, representation yan ng kanila.
Hello! Good morning, everyone.
Ayan. Ganda naman ng ating aura this morning. Ma'am, kita natin yung bulalo natin. Kahoy pa rin yung ginagamit, ano? Bakit po may ganun ang ko natin?
Kasi, alam mo, Chef JR, mula sama ng bata dito. Kayo po, hello po, ano pong pangalan natin?
Ray po, Ray.
Ray po, okay. So, okay naman po kayo dito?
Okay naman so far.
Okay, ayan. Ako, tuloy-tuloy lang ang pamimigay natin ng tulong dito.
This is a little
angles and the seeming organization of the structure suggests that further investigations are needed to fully understand the origins and nature of this underwater enigma. There are many more
Eto, mga lalaki, huwag kayong magagalit kasi gusto ko lang maging totoo sa inyo. Isa sa mga struggles ko noon, masturbation. Lalaki ako eh. Pero ang bait ng Diyos when I realized that
the largest tomb by area in the world. The creation of this tomb was estimated to have taken 2,000 workers who worked a continuous 16 years to finish it, after removing
ang signal number 3 sa Baguio City at sa Benguet at nakaantabay pa rin po tayo sakaling maranasan pa rin ang mas malakas na pag-ulan at hangin dito po sa Baguio City.
Man na gumawa sila ng soup kitchen doon, although we do our mobile kitchen there, but this will be given to mga immediate need para lang may makain ang mga mamamayan natin. They're high protein. Hanin daw namin sa Pilipinas.
Sir, we still expect a number of typhoons to come in the Philippines. Kamusta yung budget natin?
We're praying hard na hindi na dumami pa yung typhoon kasi kahit na may budget mga iba't ibang Philippine Coast Guard vessels both going north and we're waiting for to be loaded naman going to Bicol. At the same time, we're talking kahapon nandun si General Browner, may as soon as the weather permits,
Kasago and Hyogo Prefecture, we can find another incredible megalith. This is Ishino Hoden, also known as the Floating Stone. This
parang to accommodate po yung mga changes po nito. So, right now, yung assurance natin is talagang as much as possible, we would like to assure the communities na minimum.
Siyempre, mga kaibigan niya, ang ginawa niya, nag-aral siya, 11 ha, minaster niya ang geometry, trigonometry, and serving by the time he was 16,
named to Charmony Winter and it'd fit the UI better. Eternal Calculus is a free-to-play erudition like cone that gives attack buffs to the wearer, which can help Rappa max out that break damage taken by enemies. But it also gives a speed buff, which is what can really help
Analysis ni na General Torres, siya daw yung nagko-confirm ng mga instructions sa network ni Kibuloy, pati di umano tungkol sa mga, yung alam ni Edward, no, yung mga
not only to Japanese history, but to the broader understanding of ancient civilizations. The restricted access and limited archaeological excavation of the Kofun
やっと来た。ずっと待ってたんだよ。
your children. At gayon din kayong mga bata, kayong mga teenagers, don't ever look down on yourself. You can do something by the grace of God.
オーディション？ごめん、暇な時は自分磨きで忙しくて、エンタメのことはあまり知らないのよ。まあ、あんたが誰だか知らないけど、ハウンド家
News.
Kaugnay naman ang unang pagharap ni Apollo Kibuloy sa pagdinig ng Senado tungkol sa pang-aabuso umano sa Kingdom of Jesus Christ. Maapanayam natin.
Sa'yo. Kaya, huwag mong sayangin. Hindi ko sinasabing huwag kang maging magpakasaya. Mag-i-enjoy ka naman kahit wala yan eh. Pero,
Officer Trish Roque. Magandang umaga, Trish.
Magandang umaga po, Igan, at magandang umaga po sa ating mga tagapanood.
Gaano karaming lugar na yung nananatiling walang supply ng
exact degrees and angles of the lines and believes the rock shows the directions to important ancient megalithic sites like Stonehenge, the pyramids of Giza, and others. As the
pag-monitor ng mga tauhan ng MMDA para abisuhan yung ating mga motorista kaugnay sa mga kalsadang pwede nilang madaanan. At yung natitirang makitid na daan no, sa pinakagilid na dadaanan
Showed you these same incisions on various unexplained sites in China, such as the Yangshan Quarry, where gigantic stone blocks were carved from the rock. To
yung dike nila, ang hirap pa naman yan kasi syempre tuloy-tuloy yung magiging pagbaha sa kanila sa mga susunod na bagyo kapag nasira yung dike. At samantalang ito naman ay Mandaue City, ang lakas ng
ng ulana. Magdamag na pabugsong-bugsong hangin ang naranasan sa Isabela. Sa lakas ng hangin, halos mabali ang mga sanga ng punong kahoy.
deploy them, then we will deploy them as part of the menu of our services para ma-identify natin kung ano yung mga immediate needs. And from there, we will also identify if there are
at patayan sa iniutos ni Kibuloy. At pati si Ingrid Canada, nasa kanya daw unang lumalabas yung pinakamaraming mga instruction at sinabi na nila ang kanilang buong pangalan at ipinakita talaga yung kanilang mga mukha.
Ano pong papel nung 5 kapwa-akusado ni Kibuloy sa sistema ng pang-aabuso?
Perishing somehow kasi nililigtas sila ng Diyos sa trouble na darating. Nauunawaan po. Kaya naman itong napakaganda. Ang Lord naman po ay
Opo, kasi itong si Ondoy nangyari during habagat season. So may meron pa pong habagat na naging component kung bakit naging napakalakas ng mga pag-ulan. Ito namang si
matatandaan natin, dalawa kasi yung repacking center ng bansa. Nasa Pasay, yung tinatawag naming National Resource Center, at nasa Visayas, nasa Cebu naman yung para sa Visayas and Mindanao. There are
Thank you. Kinukongratulate nila kami. Samantalang kayo naman lahat ang gumawa nito. Di ba? Kasi mula pa sa simula ng pag-aaral niya, kayo nag-provide.
Minomonitor po natin to at kung nakikita nga po natin na posible ito maging bagyo, maglalabas po tayo immediately na update po.
Okay, maraming salamat. Ingat, Veronica Torres, weather specialist mula sa Pag-asa.
And the advanced prehistoric civilizations scattered around the globe. Such polygonal and cyclopean styles are observed not only in Japan, Peru, Bolivia.
Dulot ng malakas na pagbuhos ng ulan kanina. Galing ng monumento si Jules bago niya naisipan na dumaan sa C3 sa Caloocan.
Spiritual renewal and life. The presence of flowing water under the Ishi no Hoden may contribute to its sanctity and the reverence with which it is regarded. It is possible
but they do share one thing in common. Vandalism. Unrelated, let's talk about vandalizing your wallet. Rappa's E1 gives her enhanced basic attacks, a defense ignore, and also gives her 20 energy back after ulting, making
to get rid of them. Ano bang idol natin? Where do we find our security? Where do we find our joy? Where do we find? Para maintindihan natin, how do we spend our finances?
on the stone. Are these marks really made by some sort of advanced ancient machine technology? The notion that such technology existed is supported by the precision
po ang mga nasabing mabala hanggang alas 8 ngayong umaga. Samantala mga kapuso ay nagpapakawala po ng tubig ang iba't ibang dam. Dito sa Luzon, bunsod pa rin po yan ang pananalasan ng Bagyong Christine.
These brothers and sisters standing up, I pray, Lord Jesus, that we will love you with all of our hearts. Thank you for the example of the Barnhart, oh God. Despite the parusa. Pati faction, di ba? Drunkenness, pati ba naman yan? Carousing, yung talaga nagpapakasasa, nagpapakalating dahil akala niya doon siya sasaya. And things like this.
Nice 90-degree angles and edges. The weathering on the stone also suggests they are extremely old, leading to the belief that they were used by the people of the 17th century.
Pang tinatawid nga niya yung landmass ng ating bansa, lalo na sa may Northern Luzon, ay posibleng bahagyang humina itong si Christine. Pero mananatili pa nga rin po sa severe tropical storm category. Paglagpas naman ito,
Today, with an open eyes, okay? Kailangan bukas ang ating mga mata at talagang seryoso nating hahanapin. Now, ang ating titig ng katauhan sa pagkakataon, mga Christians, Christian na ako, pero patuloy pa rin sa paggamit ng prostitute. Patuloy pa rin sa kanyang pangangalunya. Patuloy pa rin sa kanyang pandaraya.
Magandang po niya, peak flow meter. Kung sakaling may sintomas siya, nararamdaman niya, nahihirapan huminga, at gumamit po siya nito at mababa po dun sa personal best, maaari pong siya ay inaatake na ng...
Chikaku, Eiko Seisui!
To be clear. Wow, would you look at that? We're already halfway through her kit. Her ultimate puts her into what I call Splatoon mode. It enhances her basic attack, gives her an extra turn like Zila's Resurgence window, and gives her a break effect bonus and 50%
We are making a covenant sa picture of love. Parang kasal. Mula ngayon, Lord, ikaw na ang pagmamahal ko. Kasi ang totoong pagsunod, remember this, kung tayo ay Christians, ano sabi?
Sa mga iba't ibang Philippine Coast Guard vessels, both going north, and we're waiting for to be loaded naman going to Bicol. At the same time, we're talking, kahapon nandun si General Browner, as soon as the weather permits, ay may sunog at hindi ma-set up ang soup kitchen or walang kuryente, hindi makaluto, then we have to give our ready-to-eat food box. Or sa pier, for instance, imposible.
Could be extremely old. This observation is particularly compelling given the polygonal style's efficacy in seismic zones. This construction technique
ずれ風に吹き落とされる。コラボスタート。
Negosyong sari-sari store ni Edison.
Ang bilis ng tubig. Mahirap talaga kasi unang-una tatanggalin ko lahat, dadalhin ko sa taas, tapos bababa ko na naman. So tapos ito, walang tigil ng linis, gano'n, dire-dire.
Oo nga, at may
Sasagutin muna natin. Hello
Yan,
po.
sige. Thank you so much, Jessica. Kaya kayo mga kapuso, kung meron kayong mga nais na ipaabot sa amin na impormasyon, yung mga tulong na gusto nyo sana maipadala namin sa inyo o doon sa mga kinaukulan, pwede po
slabs, and the meticulous placement in specific configurations suggest a level of technological sophistication that some argue could not have been achieved at the time without more.
Hello? Marami nga sumasamba sa atin sa Panginoong Diyos kaysa sa dito sa puta, nag-worship tayo kay Lord. Pero every time inisip natin, teka muna, yung trabaho ko. Kaya pagka may trabaho na,
Break supports, and they dish out a ton of damage on their own. Harmony Trailblazer can also be a break damage dealer, so realistically, this entire team is setting you up for a lot of success. Now, if the enemy is imaginary weak, you do also have the option of
opo, okay. Eh siyempre yung bata, pagdating doon, laro na laro. Ang gulit. Tinitigan ko lang. Walang palo-palo. Titig lang.